candies again! Ugh.
What?
Susie, thank you so much for the chocolates. So yummy. I want to share with you. Here.
Thank you, Sammy. But what's happening to you today? 1 minute you're kind, a second later you're angry.
Oh, Susie, I think I've caught an emoji virus.
Emoji virus?
Yes, it's a virus that makes me change my mood every minute.
I need to help you somehow.
Oh, life's so wonderful.
Really? That's great.
What's so great about it? Life's so unfair.
Oh, I need to help Sam as quick as possible. Mood swings are a serious matter. Right. I know. We need to trap the virus.
Trap it? How?
I'll make a box the virus won't be able to resist. It'll also be a holder for our pens and pencils.
Tempting.
I'll start making the box for catching this emoji virus right away, before Sam falls apart. I'll use this box as a base.
But this box is so pretty!
Oh, it's just an old gift box. I was going to throw it away. And this way, we can reuse it.
This makes sense. All right.
Besides the box, I'll also need yellow spray paint, a pen, and markers. But most importantly, these emoji stencils.
Gimme!
What? Sammy, no, I need them.
Fine. I'm tired of changing my mood all the time. Help me, please. Oh.
Sue to the rescue! First of all, I need to paint the box emoji color, yellow.
Here, take it. I can't wait.
Oh, thank you. Come with me. I'll put the box right here and spray it like this on all sides. Some more and done. I'll let it dry.
More waiting? Oh.
We didn't have to wait for too long. The box is dry. Now it's emoji time. First, I'll draw an emoji with the stencil and a pen. I'll start with this one.
Oh, it's my favorite emoji!
Is it? Guys, which are your favorite emojis? Write in the comments. Right. Now I'll take the marker and color in the image. Nice and slow. I'll try to stay within the lines. There! What?
I can feel the emoji virus running away from me into the box!
Oh, wonderful! But I'll draw some other emojis, too. All done, Sammy!
Oh. Awesome!
How do you feel?
Wonderful! Emojis should stay in decor, in smartphones, and all that. I'll manage my own mood myself.
Deal! I'll put our pens and pencils in here. Hey guys, do you like this idea for a pencil holder? Give a thumbs up if you do, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to follow Sam's new adventures.
Yes! And if you make this box yourself, send us photos!
We'll be waiting. Bye-bye!